Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss how to create printables to help grow your email list for your Etsy store. So if you want to learn all about growing your email list, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you grow an impactful business online. Also, don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. Also, if you're interested in learning how to make passive income selling art printables on Etsy, my Arts Printable Etsy course is now open. So I will leave the link in the comment sections below. So let's go ahead and get started on this video. So as an Etsy seller, it's important to start growing your email list the moment you open your Etsy store. I think this is one of the things that many people don't do right away. They're either scared to ask for an email or they really don't know how to collect emails. And it's really important that you start your email list as soon as you open. You probably heard the saying, the money is in the list, and that is correct. When you create an email list, you have people that already showed interest in your products and services. So it's really easy whenever you create a new product or a new listing in your Etsy store to market to people that already showed interest in your product, that already purchased from you, that already like you and know you. And that's the purpose of collecting emails, basically. And you're able to go ahead and send these people new products that you have created and get more additional sales. So ultimately, an email list is to sell more, to grow your business. And this is how many companies do it nowadays. They're able to get tons of sales just from their email list. Now, I've been able to grow my email list now to over 25,000 subscribers with this exact method that I'm going to be talking about today on this video. And what I normally do is I create different types of printables that I offer for free for an exchange of an email. So I will offer somebody a free printable, but they have to sign up for my newsletter. And the types of printables that you could create, it could be pretty much anything that you want. The easiest one is like a checklist of some sort. So it doesn't have to be anything fancy, and it could be in any particular niche. So it doesn't matter what type of niche you have. Let's say you are in the wedding niche. You could create a checklist of wedding planning checklist, basically, like all the things you need to do to plan your wedding in the next 6 months or in the next year. Or you could do 3 types of printables in the next 2 years, 1 year, or 6 months, depending on the bride and how soon they're going to get married. And let's say you are in the market of selling dog bandanas or products for animals. You could do a checklist, like a dog training checklist or new puppy guide checklist, like all the things you need as an owner of a new puppy. These are great as things that people look for online, and a great way to start growing your email list by providing something of value. At that given moment, that person is seeing value in that checklist because they're trying to get to the end point. Maybe they do have a new puppy and they don't really think about all the things that they're going to need. So with the checklist that you're providing them, they're able to say, okay, this is cool. Let me download it, print it out. So when I go shopping, I have this particular checklist that I need for my new puppy. So it's very simple. As you can see, you could pretty much do a checklist for any type of niche. It doesn't matter what type of niche you're in. I could do a checklist for Etsy sellers, like how to get started on Etsy, 10 things that you will need. And then I could create a list of that and then give that as a free checklist. So it's very, very simple. The next thing that you need to do is have some type of software editing program that you could create a checklist from. I recommend Canva. You could do so many. There's PicMonkey. You could do Photoshop if you know how to use that. Adobe Illustrator. It doesn't matter. There's so many softwares out there. The reason why I always recommend Canva is because it's very simple to use, very practical. It's just easy easy and stress-free. So for anyone out there that's not tech savvy like myself, Canva would be the best place to go to. So I'm going to show you now how to create a quick printable so you can see how simple it can be. So what I normally do is I go to create a design and I do custom design. I do US letter size, which is 8.5 inches by 11 in height. So this will be the size that I normally do. And let's say I'm going to do a new puppy checklist. I'm just going to do that. So it's just as simple as, let's see, I'm going to look for puppies, pictures of puppies. I'm going to use this one here. So I'm going to put this here. And then I'm going to put a title to my checklist. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to use this font, new puppy checklist. And I'm going to put this up here. Okay. And then I'm going to start adding what you need for your new puppy, right? So I'm going to do a circle. You could just search here for circles. As you can see, I use this a lot, so it's already safe for me. These are all the types of circles that you could use. I'm using this one here. And you could change the color to any color you want. I'm going to do it black. You could minimalize it. Make it smaller, which is what I'm doing here. Make it a little bit smaller. And this is going to be the little box that they check when they buy that particular item. So then I'm going to duplicate this to make like a row of circles. So all you do is just duplicate it. Just click on duplicate and it will duplicate the same size that you just did. I'm going to try to measure it as close as I can. And I'm going to start lining them up right here. But you see how easy with Canva you could do this? You could do this for once you have this one pre-made, you could just change the wording, maybe change the picture of the dog and reuse it for a different one. So you could save it and edit this template for something else, which is really nice. And as you can see, all I'm doing is putting the circles in aligned. So it might take a little bit of playing with it, but it's not that bad, as you guys could see. It's an easy process. So I did the line right there with all of them, and then all I'm gonna do is add the text. So I'm gonna delete this one and I'm gonna put here puppy food, right? Because everybody needs puppy food for a new doggy. So puppy food, I'm gonna do this 20. Let's see, yeah, that's good. And I'm going to put this right here. Maybe make this a little bigger. 25. Okay, there you go. Puppy food. Now I'm going to duplicate this so I don't have to find the font again. And I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm going to make this one leash, right? Because you need a leash for your dog. Okay. What else do we need? You need treats for your new doggy. But you see how easy this is? I mean, I know I'm just creating this list real quick, but as you can see, it's very simple to do. Shoe toys could be another one, right? And then just line it up as you go. Duplicate, put it on the next line. Let's say I want to say crate, right? You need a crate to train your dog. Let's do another one. Well, be another good one. Dishes, right? For the food dish. So they could eat from. But you see how simple this is, guys? It's not that difficult to do. Maybe what's the next? Another good one. Training. Maybe you need training for your dog, right? And let's see, shots. Let's just put shots as the last one. But you could do this, and once you have all of these aligned, obviously you would just go through them and make sure they're all aligned. You can make another row right here of different things that they will need. You could move it a little bit to the right if you wanted to kind of align it. Down here, you could put like what I recommend when you do these free checklists is to put your branding down here. So whatever your Etsy store is, put it down here. Put your branding, put like a little logo of your store. And then once you're done with this and you're happy with it, you just download it and save it as a PDF file. And this is what the customer will get when they sign up for your newsletter for that particular topic that you're selling. But it's this simple, guys. It's just creating it. Once you create it, all you have to do is pretty much create, I say 3 to 5 different types of checklists, and then just promote it everywhere. You could promote it on Pinterest. You could promote it in your Etsy store. You could promote it in your social media links like Instagram, Facebook. You could do posts about it saying, hey guys, get this free checklist today, and then promote it and then get people to join. And the more you do that, you'll start seeing some traction and you start growing your email list. But you need to do this as soon as you open your Etsy store. So that way you can start growing your email list, which is really, really important for remarketing and making additional sales. So let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about creating printables. And thank you guys for watching.